Hi there! Are you excited to start our new craft activity? Well, yes, I'm excited too. Let's come to this page and see what we have. Yes, at first, why don't we read the instructions and then start with our craft activity. So let's look at our materials at first. We are making a boat for which we will require paper plate, craft paper, scissor, glue, pencil and a stick. Let's take our paper plate and fold it from the middle. Make sure you use your fingers and palm to fold it and press it properly. That's lovely. Now let's fold it from the other side as well. This looks amazing. Make sure that the foil part should be outside. Once we are done with that, why don't we make a small hole in the center? Yes, for the brown stick. Be very careful while making this hole. You can take your elder's help as well. Now let's place our stick here. It should stand on its own. This is amazing. Now why don't we keep this aside and start with our decoration? At first, we need to make a blue flag, for which we are going to take our craft paper and make a triangle. Once we are done making the triangle, we are going to take our scissor and cut it right on top. You can make the triangle with a pencil or a sketch pen. Once we are done cutting the triangle, we are going to stick it on top of our stick. At first, we are going to keep some distance and put a standing line of glue. Once we are done with that, we are going to place our stick before the glue line and then roll the paper or roll the flag on top of it. Roll it gently and press it right on top of the glue line. This is going to help the flag stick right on top of your brown stick. Cut the excess part. And this looks great. Our flag is ready. Keep it aside and let it dry. Let's take another piece of paper which is yellow in color or whichever color you like and start drawing the next thing, which is a circle. You can also take a coin and trace it right on top of your paper. Once we are done with the drawing, we will start cutting it. Cut it right on top of the pencil mark, okay? That's great. Give it a nice finishing. And finally, place it right on top of the flag. Let's stick this together. Put a small dot of glue and put the circle on top of it, right in the center of the flag. Now, let's place the flag on the boat. This looks brilliant, isn't it? I'm very excited to do the rest of the things. So, let's start making circles for the boat. Yes, we are going to decorate it with circles. Try making circles of the same size. It is always advisable to make more circles, so just in case you make a mistake, you have a backup. let's cut each circle and place it one on top of another and cut it together. This way, we will cut 3 circles in one go. This is going to save us a lot of time. Here we are. We have 3 circles together. Why don't we cut the 4th one? This is such a fun activity, isn't it? Let's go very slow while cutting. Keep the scissor away from your body and make sure you do not hurt yourself. This is great. Now let's put some glue on top of the boat. We will put small circles in a row. And after that, stick these circles right on top. Stick it gently and press it well with your fingers. Let's do this step together. Press it gently with your finger so that it's stuck properly. Now let's make smaller circles on top of our pink sheet. You can take any other color if you like. This looks brilliant. Now let's cut it together. Place one circle on top of another and cut it. Yes, this way we will get 4 circles at a time. If you feel that you cannot do this, then cut 1 circle at a time. That's not a problem. Let's put a small dot of glue right in the center of this and start sticking the small circles. Stick it neatly. And finally, our boat is ready. Can you rock it for me? This is amazing! Let's close our glue and keep it aside. Yes, so that it doesn't dry up.